Good morning. I'd like to invite you into this Montana 3532 SP. As you can see right now, the big feature is the side porch. Nice and sunny today. There's a lot of stuff on this thing I'd like to show you. I want to come out on the outside and show you, okay? First, I'd like to show you this big storage space here. This almost can be a second bedroom here. Come on the outside here, you got another storage compartment. Each side has its own propane tank. Pass-through storage. Double doors makes it easy to get everything in and out for you. Here's all your hookups, which come underneath, makes it nice and clean, and you can lock it. There's your power back here, which is 50 amp. Right there, get your power source. Have a tow hitch there, in case you wanted to tow anything for extra storage, wood. It's got a ladder that's got a fully walkable roof. I can show you. Hop up there. Nice and sunny. Enjoy the view. All right, come around here. This is really the best part of the whole thing, is this side porch. Sit out here and enjoy the sun. It's got an awning in case it does get too sunny, you want some shade. It's got an LED strip on the top, so it's fully lit at night. A really good way to come out and enjoy the outdoors and still be protected from the elements as well. Let's head on in the inside now. I'd like to show you guys some stuff on here. First, you're going to notice this large kitchen here. Nice workable kitchen, nice L-shaped counter, plenty of space for chopping and cutting, separating your food. Residential fridge and stove and microwave, all stainless steel. Nice wide open living room. Again, L-shaped sectional couch, fireplace. You have the televator which comes up, or you can enjoy this big window here. And on the side, it's like panoramic. A lot of window space. Over here, you have a little dining area. You can sit, watch the great outdoors and have your meal, read the newspaper, or do a little computer work. Kitchen's got ample storage, nice woodwork, nice solid wood doors. You got a nice pantry here, lots of storage up top. Coat rack, key rack, handy dandy. Nice sized bathroom. It's got a stand-up shower with a wooden seat so you can sit down and relax. Spacious bedroom, king bed, lots of storage space in here for clothes and your closets. This one's got a washer and dryer hookup on the side, so if you want to do your laundry while you're out, welcome to do so. I'd like to thank everybody for taking a tour with me on this Montana 3532 SP. If you have any more questions, please feel free to call me. We're right in Wind Gap, and I could be reached at 610-863-5239. My extension is 817. Give me a call. I'll be glad to help you guys.